Here I have a retention pond, and when I integrate it into the surroundings, I can see that it aligns nicely. But I have an excess amount of cut of over 1,000 cubic meters. How to solve this? Very simple. I select the functional pond design and increase its elevation by 1 meter using offset Z. And I'm going to recreate the pond. Again, I select cut and fill, recalculate the volume, and see that I have more fill and less cut, but there's still an excess amount of cut at 611 cubic meters. So I'll continue to increase the elevation of the functional design, again by 1 meter. Create the grade, recalculate cut and fill, and I still have more fill and less cut, which looks good, but there's still an excess of 174 cubic meters, and I can do better. So I'll repeat my steps. Reselect the functional design, and I'll increase it by half a meter this time. Grade, cut and fill, and recalculate. Now I have an excess fill of 45 cubic meters, and I can continue to do this to decrease the volume until I achieve the proper balance.